So in this video, we are required to find the LCM of these two terms. So this method is a kind of special method that was used back in the days. So our focus will be on the figures, not the letters, because the letters has been decomposed. So this will require the use of table. So first I will construct the table. I'll pick the numbers one after the other. The first number I'm picking is 12 and 36. So we have 12 and we have what's 36. So 2 in 12, we start with the least prime factor. 2 in 12 6, 2 in 36, that will give us 18. Then 2 in 6 3, 2 in 18 9. No, we can't use 2 again. So 3 in 3 1, 3 in 9 3. Then 3 in 1 is not possible, you return the 1. Then 3 in 3, that is what, 1. So in that case, the LCM in this case will be what, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And that will give us 2 raised to power 2 times 3 raised to power 2. That is 4 times 9. And 4 times 9 in this case would give us what, 36. All right. So that's the LCM of these two numbers. So now, the next thing we want to do is we want to look for the highest power of each of these factors. What is the highest power of A in this set? This A raised to power 2, this A raised to power 5. We pick A raised to power 5. Then the highest power of B here is B raised to power 3 here. B raised to power 2, we pick B raised to power 3. And that of C, they are the same, so we pick C. So the LCM of these numbers using that special method is 36, A raised to power 5, B raised to power 3, and C. We still maintain the fact that LCM is the product of the highest power of the factors, or basically prime factors. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.